Hello friends, welcome to the future and learn about technologies that you must try. When we place our hands in the pocket, we rely on our body to generate heat that eventually gets our hands warm. This process is slow and inefficient, and after losing the heat, we get hungry and eat more. This hand warmer can address this problem and quickly provide the needed heat when there is a sudden temperature shock. This next item is my all-time favorite throughout the year, but especially in winters. Who doesn't love oyster mushrooms, but it's a challenge to go out during winters. Now we can grow our own yummy and organic mushrooms right in the kitchen. The kit comes in 3 packs, but the pink oysters are my all-time favorites. To grow them, all you need is to spray some water on the side of the box and the organic mushrooms will be ready in 2 weeks. The best trick is that you can take one mushroom and spread its spores in the box soil again for another crop and continue doing this several times. Whether you are an outdoor person or want to look stylish, you cannot miss enjoying this cool product. Holiday season is here and cutting wrapping papers can be frustrating. Not anymore. Once again, everyone at home is excited to spend holidays cooking and playing with family indoors. With this comes the risk of high levels of carbon monoxide that can be lethal to children as well as adults. With this Wi-Fi enabled detector, you can have the peace of mind no matter where you are. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, subscribe and share the love with everyone. All links to the items are below in the description.